Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St.JOSEPH'S Academy. I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. Today, we will do some extra questions of our first chapter, that is, computer devices, memory, and storage. See, the first question is, what is the full form of CD? So the full form of CD is compact disc. Second question is, what are the three parts of CPU? What are the three parts of CPU? So the answer is the three parts of CPU are ALU, MU, and CU. These are the three parts of CPU. Now come to question number 3. Name any 5 places where computers are used. Children, you can write any 5 places where we use computers. I have written number 1, school, number 2, office, number 3, hospital, number 4, banks, number 5, hotels. Now see the fourth question. What is called the brain of the computer and why? So children, CPU is called the brain of the computer. And why it is called brain of the computer? Because it does all calculations to get the desired output. So CPU is called the brain of the computer because it does all calculations to get the desired output. All the work done in the CPU only. That is why CPU is called the brain of the computer. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is, write the difference between primary memory and secondary memory. You have to write the difference between primary and secondary memory. So first of all, we will write about primary memory. So primary memory is also called internal memory. For example, RAM and ROM. And secondary memory is also called external memory. And examples of secondary memory are CD and DVD. So this is the difference between primary and secondary memory. Primary memory is called internal memory and secondary memory is called external memory. Examples for primary memory are RAM and ROM, and examples for secondary memory are CD and DVD. Now come to question number 6. What are the 4 types of devices of a computer? What are the 4 types of devices of a computer? So the 4 types of devices of a computer are input devices, output devices, processing device, and the storage devices. These are the 4 types of devices of a computer. Now see question number 7. Question number 7 is how many bytes are there in 1 kilobyte? How many bytes are there in 1 kilobyte? The answer is 1024 bytes. In 1 kilobyte, there are 1024 bytes. Now see question number 8. How are input devices helpful to us? How are output devices helpful to us? So the output devices allow us to show the output or result of the work performed by a computer. Output devices allow us to show the output or result of the work performed by a computer. Now let's see question number 9. Question number 9 is name any 3 storage devices used in a computer. You have to write any 3 storage device. You can write any of the 3 storage device that we use in a computer. So some are CD, DVD and pen drive. Now let's see some fill in the blanks. Dash is used to play games on a computer. The answer is joystick. Joystick is used to play games on a computer. Next is the dash memory is used to store data for a long time. So the answer is the secondary memory is used to store data for a long time. Third is 1 MB is equals to 1024 KB. 1 MB is equals to 1024 KB. KB is kilobyte. Next is RAM stands for dash. So children, RAM stands for random access memory. RAM stands for random access memory. And RAM is a dash storage device. RAM is a primary storage device. RAM is a primary storage device. Our next question is identify the following pictures and write their names. And I hope students you can easily identify these pictures. First picture is of joystick. And you know that what is the use of joystick? Joystick is used to play games on computer. And second picture is of pen drive. And pen drive is used to store data. And pen drive is a storage device. Now see the next type of question. The following are the devices of a computer. Categorize them appropriately. The following are the devices of a computer and you have to categorize them. Here some devices, computer devices are given and you have to categorize them. So the first one is CU. CU is control unit. Second is monitor. Then we have joystick, ALU, speakers, mouse, RAM, ROM, MU, CD, printer, keyboard. So these are some devices given here and you have to categorize them. So first is input devices, and among these given devices, the input devices are joystick, mouse and keyboard. These are the three input devices given here. Second is output devices. Output devices given here are monitor, speaker and printer. Third is processing devices, and the processing devices are CU, ALU and MU. Number 4 is storage devices, and the storage devices are RAM, ROM and CD. Now we see some full forms. So the first is given VDU, and VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Second is CPU, and the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Next is ALU, and the full form of ALU is Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Next we are having CU, and CU is Control Unit. Then we have MU. MU stands for Memory Unit. Then we have RAM, and I already told you RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Then we have ROM. ROM stands for Read Only Memory. Then we have CD, and CD stands for Compact Disc. DVD. DVD stands for Digital Video Disc. And the last is IO. IO stands for Input or Output. So children, you have to complete all the work in your notebook, in your class for copy. Thank you so much.